was all dangerous situation.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. We'll see with you, John. Guess we ought to get going, huh?